Have you been searching for the perfect performance coupe with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Ford Mustang EcoBoost in silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6941.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.